No riches untold. I'd rather have Jesus than silver and gold. Don't give me a mansion on top of a hill. Don't give me an extra that'll share no thrills, but just give me a savior, my life he can hold. 'Cause I'd rather have Jesus than silver and gold. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. I'd rather have Jesus than silver and gold. No fame, no fortune, no riches untold. I'd rather have Jesus than silver and gold. I woke up this morning feeling kinda down. Called up my best friend, but he